Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone in today's class for the sixth elementary grade. Our textbook is Weekend 3, and today inshallah we will cover Unit 12, My Dream Vacation, Reading and Writing on page 95. This lesson will be presented by me, teacher Mazen Harbi, and the sign language by Mr. Fawaz Al-Agil. So let's begin. Quick revision in our last lesson. In our last lesson, we did do three things with this text, which is the first one, we did listen to this text, and the second one, we did read this text, and the third one, we did chant it together. So what we're going to do today is that we're going to listen to it twice, and after we do listen to this text twice, we're going to read it one more time so we can know and remind ourselves of the words and their meaning about this text, and then we're going to read it all over again to chant it together. So now let's begin listening to this text. This text has three parts. We're going to listen to each of these parts, and after listening to each of these parts, we're going to read it just to highlight some of the important words we can see, and then we're going to read it fast as we are chanting this chant. So now let's, me and you, try to listen to this text twice, and then we will continue. So, the Saudi Vision 2030 chant. Let's listen and then we say again. This is the kingdom of Saudi Arabia, a great and a blessed land, where the two holy mosques stand. The future will be strong and bright for all the children of the land. The vision will come true, and all will be good and right, with the faith of the nation, with health and education. The vision will come true. For all the population, the ships will come and go from all over the globe. Businesses, big and small, the kingdom they will call the leader of them all. So this is the first listening we had with this chant. Now let's listen to it one more time before we read it again and highlight some of the important words. So the Saudi Vision 2030 chant. This is the kingdom of Saudi Arabia, a great and blessed land, where the two holy mosques stand. The future will be strong and bright for all the children of the land. The vision will come true, and all will be good and right, with the faith of the nation, with health and education. The vision will come true. For all the population, the ships will come and go from all over the globe. Businesses, big and small, the kingdom they will call the leader of them all. So here we did listen twice to this chant. Now it is time for us to read it while pointing at the important words and just to know, to clarify their meaning in this chant. So let's start with the first one. This is the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So usually when we start with this is, we want to introduce something. For example, if you have your friend next to you and you want to introduce your friend to your family, you would say, this is. So here in this text, we started with an introduction that this is the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Now let's get to know, let's read what is about Saudi Arabia. So Saudi Arabia is a great and blessed land where the two holy mosques stand. So, great and blessed land. Why it is blessed? Why? Which we mean by blessed, that this is a place or this is a land that has a lot of good things. So this is why this land is blessed. And why is that? Here in this text, they say the reason that it is blessed because it has the two holy mosques stand. You know what are the two holy mosques? They are the two mosques that we can see in Mecca, and also we can see in Al-Medina, two holy mosques. So it says here that the future will be strong and bright, and for all the children of the land. So here we talk about the future of this place, or the future of this land, that it will be strong and it will be good and it will be bright. And why is this? Because for all the children, because the children of this land, the children of this country loves the land. So this is why they in the text believe that the future will be strong and also will be right. And also here, the second part, the vision will come true and all will be good and right. So here we talk about the vision, the 2030 vision, that it will come true, that it will be reality, and that all of the things will be good and right, will be good in the right way to help making the vision reality. And the other line, with the faith of the nation, with the health and education. So, with the faith, with the belief of the nation, the people who lives in this nation, which is the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the people who live in this land. They believe of the vision, and with the health, the good health we have, and the good education of this land, what will happen? What will happen is this: the vision will come true. But it will come true for whom exactly? Who are the people who are benefiting from the vision? It says here that for all the population, for all the population. Population here, all the people, your friends, your teachers, your family members, all the people who lives on this land will see the vision will come true for them. And then here in the second part, let's read it together. The ships will come and go from all over the globe. So here in the kingdom, it has different ships that come and go. And from all over the globe, all parts of the world come to Saudi Arabia, and all the ships from different parts of the world come to Saudi Arabia. They come and they go. Businesses, big and small, the kingdom, they will call the leader of them all. So all businesses, all people who are working, all big companies, all of them, whether they are big or they are small, they are calling, they say the name of the kingdom, our kingdom, the kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the kingdom they call the leader of them all, that the kingdom leads them all in their businesses. This is why this land is strong. This is why we say that we will have a strong and bright future, because businesses are strong, and also they call Saudi Arabia the leader of them. So now, let's listen to the chant, but this time we're going to chant it. We're going to read it fast so we can listen to the rhythms, the different rhythms of this chant. This is the kingdom of Saudi Arabia, a great and blessed land where the two holy mosques stand. The future will be strong and bright for all the children of the land. The vision will come true, and all will be good and right. With the faith of the nation, with health and education, the vision will come true for all the population. The ships will come and go from all over the globe. Businesses, big and small, the kingdom, they will call the leader of them all. And after this, in our last lesson, we did listen to 4 different words, and we did match them with a picture. Now let's listen to each of these words, and I would like you to say them after me. So the first word we have is small, small. Number 2, globe, globe. Number 3, business, business. And number 4, leader, leader. So now let's start with the first one, or the first word, which is small. Can you have a look at these 4 pictures and tell me or point at one of the small things we can see here in this picture? It is, of course, the third one. So here we point at the third one. So here we match the word with the picture. So this animal is a small animal, which is a snail. Now let's listen to the second word, which is globe. So which of these picture is the globe that represent, or that is when we say from all over the globe, from all the countries? It is, of course, the last one. So here we do match it with this picture of the planet Earth. Now, what is business? When we say businesses, we mean by businesses companies which are working in different environments. So these are businesses. And the remaining picture represent this is the first one. So here we match business with the first one. Now, leader. What do you mean by leader? Leader usually is something or someone where other people follow, that leads that leads the rest. For example, on your books, and here you can see a big bird that is leading the other birds. So this is how the leader is strong and how people will follow the leader all the time. So here, what is the picture that represents leader? It is this one. So here we go, we match leader to the picture. So now let's get to know our objectives in today's lesson. At the end of it, I hope that you will be able to match words with pictures, answer questions, and also use very and so in sentences. So I would like you please to open your books on page 95. So on page 95, we're going to answer these three questions, this question, which is why did you? So always when we ask question with why, we're looking for reason. And if you want to give reason, to say the reason, you should start with because. So when we say why, we would say because it's so cute, or because I was very thirsty. Why did you drink this water? Because I was very thirsty. Why did you took this cat? Because it was so cute. So using asking question with why, usually we start our answers with because. So here we have, we're going to read and match. We're going to read, match, and complete the chant with these phrases. Very sleepy. So here we have the word sleepy. A person wants to sleep. But when we say very, it means that he wants to sleep hard. He wants to sleep right now. The same goes for hungry. Not regular hungry. He's very hungry. He is starving. And also very thirsty. Very thirsty that he didn't drink any water for a long time. And so cute, it means so good, something very good, something beautiful, so cute. So let's start listening to the chant so we can fill it in with these four phrases. My little brother, why did you eat all the soup? Because I was very hungry. So here we use very hungry. We choose it for the first blank. Now let's continue. Why did you drink all the juice? Because I was very thirsty. So here we did cross very thirsty from the list. Now we continue reading the chant. Why did you take my panda? Because it's so cute. So here we do cross so cute. And finally, and why did you sleep in my bed? Because I was very sleepy. So here we cross very sleepy from the list. So here we have, or here are the answers of this chant and how we use all of these four phrases in them. So it is important that you can change the words, write your own chant, and with your partner by changing different phrases. So at the end, it is important that you can write your own chant, you can add pictures, and also you can share your opinion. So now we have reached the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.